How to fix TikTok website link not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video by AppHacks. Now the link I'm talking about is the link that you attach on your bio. If you cannot attach this link to your bio, this is how you fix it. The first thing you will need to do is head over to your App Store. Simply search for TikTok on your App Store. Now you can also do this on Google Play Store. And if there is an update available, make sure that you update your app. After you've updated your app, the bug might get fixed and you can just attach your link again. But if that does not work, this is what you should be doing. The first thing is check your Wi-Fi connection. After you check your Wi-Fi connection, make sure that it's a strong connection. And yeah, just head over to TikTok, tap on the three lines on the top right corner, tap on the settings and privacy section, and scroll down till you find free up space. Now it's under cache and cellular. Head over to free space and right here it will start calculating your cache, your downloads and your drafts. Now as you can see right here, I have a lot of cache data, so simply clear your cache data. After you clear your cache, you will be able to add your website on your bio. If that does not work, simply uninstall the app and reinstall it, and that should fix your problem. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.